Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding which Python release you need and ensuring the interpreter is installed on your system. This prevents mid-process surprises. Open Pycharm and select your project, then go straight to Settings or Preferences. Once there, click Project, your project name, and choose Python Interpreter. You'll see the current interpreter and available environments. This is the control center. From here, you're ready to add, upgrade, or point to a different Python executable, so proceed to change the interpreter. Now you add or change the interpreter. Click the gear next to the interpreter list and pick Add or select an existing entry and edit. If you installed a new system Python, choose System Interpreter and browse to the new Python, exe, or Python binary. For isolated projects, create a new virtualenv or condo environment using that interpreter. This avoids breaking dependencies. Once selected, Pycharm will index and resolve packages. Make sure to let it install missing helpers, so run configuration. Finish by applying the interpreter change and waiting for Pycharm to index the project and sync helpers. This can take a minute. Run a small script or tests to confirm the new Python behaves as expected. If imports fail, open the Packages pane or use pip/conda in the selected interpreter to install missing modules. If Pycharm still misbehaves, invalidate caches and restart, verify path and environment variables, and confirm the interpreter binary permissions. That usually resolves lingering conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.